Did you know that you can grow a generous harvest of Irish potatoes without having a large garden? All you need is a suitable bag, healthy seed, potatoes, good soil, and a sunny location. In this video, I will show you how to grow Irish potatoes in a bag. Before you begin, gather your materials. You will need a large grow bag with good drainage, certified seed, potatoes, compost, loose soil, a small shovel, water, and a suitable potato fertilizer. A bag that holds at least 40 liters of soil will give the potatoes enough room to develop. Choose firm and healthy seed potatoes with no signs of rot. Before planting, allow them to produce short shoots. This process is known as sheeting. Place the potatoes in an egg tray with the eyes facing upwards and leave them in a cool, bright place for about 2 to 4 weeks. Strong, short shoots are better than long, weak shoots. Place the grow bag in a sunny location where the plants will receive at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Make sure there are drainage holes at the bottom. Potatoes need moisture, but they should never remain in waterlogged soil. Add approximately 15 centimeters of loose soil and compost to the bottom of the bag. 2 or 3 seed potatoes on top of the soil. Keep them evenly spaced and position the shoots facing upwards. Avoid overcrowding the bag because each plant needs enough room to produce healthy tubers. Cover the potatoes with another 10 to 15 centimeters of soil